Hello, my dear friends! I am about to play a super fun game. Do you remember the story of that boy who got injured with the scooter? So we are going to do is to play with the text in a very fun way. Here is the text, and we have some missing words. Look at those words. We need to find the good ones, okay? At 9 o'clock. He what? He was aware. Look at the options. Was aware. I think it's was. He was. Yes, it's correct. At 9 o'clock, he was at his cousin's house. Okay. The options are sleep and slept. It's in the past, so it has to be slept. They slept. Is it correct? Yes, they slept together that night. What options do we have here? They get dressed or they got dressed. So what is the right word? Got dressed, because it's in the past. Yeah, so is it got dressed? Yes, it's correct. Great. Okay. The options are have breakfast or had breakfast. They have breakfast. I'm going to choose that one. Let's see. Oh no! Oh, it's not have breakfast. It's they had breakfast in the past. Okay. At 10:30, he wasn't or weren't. The options. I think it's he wasn't, just one. Okay, let's try. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. He wasn't with his cousin anymore. At that time, he was alone and at home. What else? He make or he made? He make or made? Make or made? I'm not sure about what is the past one. Let me try made. Yes, he made. Okay, it's correct. He made some crafts for school. Great. And at 11:45, he was with Susan, his sister. She made some cookies and he eat or ate? Eat or ate? Eat or ate? I think in the past is I ate is now. In the past is I ate, right? It's ate. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. Lucky me.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello friends! Alright, let's keep learning about the past simple, and remember that the past simple is what we use for habits, facts, and truths that happen in the past. Yes? Now let's choose the correct verb and image for each sentence. At 9 o'clock, he slept at his cousin's house. He made at his cousin's house. He was at his cousin's house. So I'm going to paint the verb was, W-A-S. He was, and I write it here. He was at his cousin's house. So, okay, and this is 9 o'clock. The clock is pointing 9. So this is the picture. We can connect this with this and this with that. And we make a beautiful rectangle. Then, after a day of exciting adventures. After a day of exciting adventures, we got dressed peacefully, we slept peacefully, we had breakfast. I think it's we slept. We slept because after a day of adventures, for sure, you're going to sleep well. So I slept, and sleep in here. That's it. Yes? Now let's go for the next one. Yesterday I had breakfast with a delicious omelette, right? Yesterday I had breakfast with a delicious omelette. So this would be, yesterday I had breakfast and I painted had breakfast I connected like this, and then breakfast with the omelette in here. This is the omelette, yes? Then let's go for the next one. On Halloween, I got dressed as a spooky ghost, and this is the ghost. I got dressed. I got dressed. Dressed as a spooky ghost, and I connected in here. And finally, I'll go for the red color. Yesterday we made yummy cookies with chocolate chips. So this goes with made, and the cookies are here because the mommy and the girl are making cookies themselves. So this is it. Well done. Remember, some verbs are regular ones such as dress, and we put dressed, yes? But then we have a lot of irregulars. Sleep is slept, make is made, to be is was, and have is had. Well done, guys.